Okay, final wrap of the Tiger 131 Tamiya 135th scale build. This is the early production kit, and with the exception of the metal tracks and the metal gun barrel that I purchased for this kit, everything else was original. There was no photo etch that came with this kit. So a couple other modifications that I did with it was the aluminum can and the aluminum foil, which I will show a slideshow of how I proceeded with a few of those additions to the kit. So I'm going to proceed first with the slideshow and then end up showing the finished model itself. Okay, this is a final look at the Tiger 131 project.
When I watch Greg's workshop, I'm fully satisfied every time.